5 tips for beginner traders. If you're just starting out in trading, these 5 tips will give you a solid foundation. Let's dive into one of them and break them down to help you succeed in trading journey. First, start with demo account. If you're new to trading, don't use real money right away. It's a risk. Mistakes are normal when you're learning, and it's better to make mistakes on demo accounts. A demo account is like a practice field. You can try different strategies, learn how the market works, and get comfortable with using your trading platform. You can figure out how to place trades and manage risk without worrying about losing your cash. When you feel confident and see good results on demo account, you'll know you're ready for the real thing. Second thing, keep a trading journal. A trading journal is like a notebook where you write everything down about your trades. Note why you opened a trade, what happened, and what you learned from it. For example, you might notice you're good at trading during certain times of the day and that you keep making the same mistake, like not using stop losses. Writing it down helps you spot patterns and fix what's not working. Without a journal, it's easy to forget lessons and make the same mistakes again. With a journal, you can see your progress and improve faster. Third thing on the list, focus on one strategy at a time. There are a lot of ways to trade: scalping, swing trading, day trading. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one strategy and stick to it. For example, if you like fast trades, try scalping, where you open and close trades quickly. If you prefer taking your time, swing trading might be better since you hold trades for days or weeks. Learn one method and practice it until you're good at it. Once you feel confident, you can explore other strategies. Trying to do everything at once will just confuse you. Number 4, control your emotions. Trading isn't just about numbers. It's about how you handle your emotions. Fear and greed are your biggest challenges. Fear can make you close trades too soon because you're scared of losing money. Greed can make you hold onto trades for too long, hoping for bigger profits, and then you lose everything. The solution is to have a plan. Before you start a trade, decide when you will take profits and when you will stop losses. Stick to your plan no matter what happens. This keeps you calm and helps you avoid bad decisions. Learn from your mentor. Books and YouTube videos are good for basic knowledge, but they won't make you an expert. If you really want to learn, find a mentor, someone with real trading experience. A mentor can give you a proven plan, give you advice, and help you avoid common mistakes. You can just follow the system that works. One more thing, be patient. Trading takes time. You won't get rich overnight, and that's okay. The more you practice and learn, the better you'll get. Stay consistent and don't give up. You'll see progress over time. Good luck, and remember to enjoy the process. If you want to learn trading step by step with a mentor, click the link below.